It is so hot and we do not want to be outside. Well, guess what? Neither do the bugs, especially the ones who normally stay outside and are just fine with it. We are seeing a high increase in big American cockroaches inside houses, spiders, even little garden insects like millipedes and sow bugs, and tiny ants that are usually happy running around in your bark mulch. They're coming in because they have less water outside. It's too hot. Their babies aren't going to hatch. They're going to come through those weep holes and any gaps around your foundation. And if they can't set up house, at least they'll get annoying and be wandering around in your house. So this is one of the reasons we tell our customers constantly, do your quarterly preventions. Do spray, do granules, do both, do a dust inside your weep holes. All those things help stop this kind of phenomenon that we don't see every year. So if they come inside, but they die quickly, then whatever you're doing is working, or maybe even a company if you're using a company for that. But if they come inside and they don't die quickly and they're wandering around in the house living, it's time to spray not only outside for future prevention, but it's time to spray inside as well, because you don't want them to find a happy place inside your house and stay and have babies. So that's my tip for this extreme hot summer is prevent. Never panic. Don't assume it's the worst. Bring us a sample, email us a sample, show us a picture on your phone when you're in the store. We'll help you know for sure whether it's something to be worried about or it's an easy fix. And it may be an easy fix with the product you have in your garage that you already bought from us. So use us as your educator as always and stay cool and hydrated.